welcome then.
Let's go up, addressed to his wingman by the voice of Pony 1, and this will be the great separation of the cardioid. Get now on board the last in the row of 4. Fuori tutti, via, by the voice of Major Oscar Del Don, the second slot. The first section should regain its edge, and the second section, the leader row, ready to chase the 5 1, knife edge. 2, inverted. 3, again knife edge. And the rotation along the axis is performed with a twisting flight path like drawing the internal of a giant burrow. It looks like just one huge airplane is performing the maneuver, but each aircraft in this moment is following a different line in order to maintain the right position within the formation. Closing now is barrel roll. White smoke, inverted flight, then it's a roll. Sustain a prolonged upside-down flight and then to go up staying inverted while the solo is looking for the formation across the canopy. Green with red, this was the winner roll, and then Apollo 313. Apollo because sections is separated as 2 lunar models, 313 because the out and the 13 aerobatic training squadron is the official denomination of our team. A unit were Oxford. Second section shaping back from middle swap to middle row with that. You can count again with him if you want while turning. It will take 12 seconds to fly along the... Never stopping his rotation. Is MB69 anything minus 3 G's for an absolute very difference of about 10 G's. At the same time in the position in the second wing at the back of the formation. Right-handed roll performed in a configuration increasing to solo pilot behind them, nose down and then up, climbing vertical. Arizona. An historical figure by Frecce Tricolori. Zero speed for an instant with a jet, and then down inside his house, mobs, ladies and gents. This is the tail slide of solo of Frecce Tricolori. White to red of the tricolor spark, la scintilla tricolore. Pony 2, Captain Luca Pozzani, and Pony 3, Captain Leonardo Leo, rolling around second wing and then again get to the original position while Ponies 4 and 5 roll around them. Per hour between stall speed and gear overspeed. IFTS International Flight Training School, a flagship of our for what is probably the most renowned figure in his repertory, synthesis of skills handed down from pilot to pilot, and technical features of our